statement regarding the challenge associated with biotechnology. Option A telling that biotechnology can threaten the survival of certain species by interfering with their natural breeding process. Yes, very correct statement. Second, telling that development of the biotechnology has completely eliminated the risk of creating biological weapons. This is incorrect because that is not completely eliminated. Third, telling that there is a lack of public awareness about modern biotechnology tools, which poses a challenge to its acceptance and regulation. So this is correct. This is also correct, and he asking incorrect one. So A become the incorrect. Next question, question number second, asking that which of the following facility is not provided under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Option A telling that accidental insurance cover of the 2 lakh under PMSBY. This is a correct, and but that is asking in not correct, so no, we going to see then not correct. And B telling that life insurance cover of the rupee 2 lakh under the PMJJBY is correct. C telling that overdraft facility of 10,000. This is also correct. This is also correct. He asking that mandatory minimum balance requirement. This is incorrect, and he asking not correct. So this is D become the correct answer. Next question, question number 3, asking that consider the following statement regarding the PM Mudra Yojana. First, telling the scheme was launched by the Ministry of Rural Development. No, this is incorrect because a scheme was launched by the Ministry of the Finance Minister. So first is incorrect. Second, telling that PM Mudra directly lent to the micro entrepreneur and individual. This is also incorrect. Directly, not directly. Third, telling that PM Mudra Yojana offer loan for income generating activity in sectors such as manufacturing, trading and agriculture. This is correct. Fourth, telling that Udyam Mitra portal has been introduced to facilitate online loan application. This is also correct. Third and fourth is correct. First and second is incorrect. So he asking correct one. So B become the only 2 become the correct answer. Which of the following ways describe the primary cause of the mass wasting? Option A telling that erosion of the coastal area by tidal force. B telling that the influence of gravity weakens slope material. Yes, this is primary cause. And C telling that formation of glacier at high altitude. This is also not correct. D telling that accumulation of the sediments in the river beds. This is also not correct. So he has correct one. So B become the correct answer. Next question, question number 5, asking consider the following statement about the nature and characteristic of quasar. Option A telling that quasar are primarily powered by the accretion of matter onto a supermassive black hole. This is correct. Second, telling energy output of a quasar can outshine its entire host galaxy. This is also correct. Third, telling quasar are relatively common and can be found in many nearby galaxy. This is incorrect because that is relatively not common and that is not found nearby the galaxy. So this third is incorrect. So he asking the correct one. So 2 means 2, only 2 become the correct answer. Next question, question number 6, asking that what does PDS leakage refer to in the context of the National Food Security Act 2013? Option A telling over allocation of the food grain to non-eligible household. This is not meaning of the PDS leakage. Second, telling that the amount of the food grain released by the FCI that failed to reach the consumer. Yes, this is correct. C telling that the amount of the money lost in maintaining the PDS system. This is also not correct. And D telling that the wastage of the food grain during the transportation. This is also not correct. So B, the amount of food grain released by the FCI that failed to reach the consumer. So B become the correct answer. Next question, question number 7, asking that consider the following statement regarding the food irradiation. First telling that food irradiation prevent spoilage by the slowing down, decay and delaying premature ripening. Is correct statement. Second telling that irradiation processing usually require multiple treatment to achieve the food safety. This is not correct. That is not the multiple requirement. 3 telling that it reduce the need for the chemical preservatives, contributing to a more sustainable food supply chain. This is correct. 4 telling that the Codex Alimentarius Commission play a key role in setting global standard for food irradiation. This is also correct. So he asking the correct one. So 1, 3, 4 is correct. So B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 8, asking that consider the following statement. Consider the following statement about the formation of the tropical storm. Option A telling that high humidity and ocean temperature above 26 degrees Celsius are necessary for the formation of tropical storms. Yes, very correct statement. Second telling that interaction between the evaporating warm water and a mass of cold air lead to the formation of clouds and a low pressure column. Yes, this is also correct. And third telling that as the pressure in the eye of the storm increase, the speed of the surrounding wind increase. This is incorrect, because as the pressure in the eye of the storm decrease, the speed of the surrounding wind increase. So third is correct. So he is incorrect. So he is asking incorrect one. So only A means A become the correct answer. Next question, question number 9, asking that consider the following statement about the State Election Commission. Option A telling the State Election Commission were established under the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment. Is very correct. Second telling the State Election Commission prepare a separate voter list for the local body election. No, that is not the separate voter list of the local body election. This is incorrect. And the third telling the State Election Commission can remove political party from their registration in the state level election. This is correct. We are asking correct one to 2, so means B become the correct answer. Next question, question number 10, asking that consider the following statement regarding the difference between the cheetah, leopard and jaguar. Cheetah have solid black spot while the leopard, jaguar have rosettes. First is correct. Second telling the jaguars have a stronger bite force compared to the cheetah, leopard, enabling them to cruise the schools of their prey. Yes, this is also correct. And third telling the leopard have a relatively larger head compared to the cheetah and jaguar. This is third is incorrect, because leopard have relatively smaller head compared to the cheetah and jaguar. So third is incorrect, or he asking that correct one. So second means third. I would like to stop here.